Hey there, fellow aspiring coders. Welcome back to another nameless squid video. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of programming languages. If you're feeling a bit lost in the sea of options, don't worry, we've got your back. Choosing the right programming language to start with is like selecting the perfect tool for your underwater adventure. So, grab your snorkel and let's get started on this coding journey. Alright, before we swim into the ocean of programming languages, let's start with the most crucial step: knowing your programming goals. Just like planning your underwater escapades, understanding what you want to achieve is key. Are you aiming to build websites, create mobile apps, delve into artificial intelligence, or perhaps explore the depths of game development? Knowing your goal will help us narrow down the best language for your needs. Web development. Web development has both front-end and back-end parts. For front-end, you will for sure want to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML focuses on the layout, components of the website, like text boxes, buttons, images, etc. Whereas CSS beautifies it by allowing that text to be in a different font or changing the background color. JavaScript allows those buttons to have functionality like showing an alert message or going to another page. JavaScript can also be very useful for backend, as well as Python, Java, and Swift. Data science and AI. If diving into the world of data science and artificial intelligence tickles your fancy, languages like Python are your trusty companions. Python's libraries and frameworks will help you swim through data and create intelligent algorithms. Game development. For the adventurers who want to craft their own gaming realms, languages like C# with Unity or C++ with Unreal Engine will be your treasure map to game development. Remember, it's all about finding the language that aligns with your interests. Just like you wouldn't bring a fishing rod to a scuba diving trip, you wouldn't want to pick a language that doesn't match your goals. Ready for the next height of knowledge? Let's chat about the learning curve. Smooth sailing for beginners. If you're dipping your toes into coding's waters for the first time, consider starting with beginner-friendly languages like Python or Ruby. Their syntax is simpler, and there's a bounty of online resources to guide you as you learn the basics. Conquering bigger waves. For those craving a challenge, languages like C++ or Java might initially seem like rolling waves. However, they lay a solid foundation and are widely used across various industries, making your coding skills versatile and robust. These programming languages are typically taught in post-secondary institutions, so if you plan on majoring in computer science, computer engineering, software engineering, or another related field, it might be a good idea to learn one of these next. Remember, every coder was once a learner, facing their own initial hurdles. Embrace these early struggles as part of your journey, and you'll soon be riding the coding waves like a seasoned pro. But wait, there's more: a word about community and resources. Strong communities. Languages like JavaScript and Python come with vast, supportive communities. When you find yourself stuck on a tricky coding current, these communities act as lifeguards, ready to offer a helping hand and guide you back to shore. Abundance of resources. For languages such as Java and C#, you're in for a treat. Imagine a sea of tutorials, courses, and documentation stretching as far as the eye can see. These resources are like a treasure map, guiding you on your exciting journey of learning. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. Whether you're easing into coding or ready to tackle the big waves, remember that the coding community and resources are here to make your journey a rewarding one.